Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Richmond Estate. Now this is one of, if not the nicest development in Jamaica. And not only Jamaica but the entire Caribbean. Now you've often heard us say that Draxall was modeled after the Richmond Estate model. So this is Richmond Estate. And the homes in Draxall are built like this or close to this, and that's one of the reasons why Draxall is doing so well, because the homes are nicely built. The finish for the area looks just like this. So this, we're giving you a quick tour of Richmond. Now this development was the first one, but they have built many others after in the Richmond area. They actually have one under construction now, and we actually did a video on it and we'll put it up shortly. But we just wanted to show you Richmond Estate, and it's in St. Anne. It's very close to Draxall. When you leave Ocherios, you go it's Ocherios, Draxall, St. Anne's Bay, Richmond Estate, and then you get to Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay. So it's ideally located on the north coast, and you can access it from the Northern Coastal Highway. The turn is literally, you turn off the Northern Coastal Highway into Richmond, and this section of the Northern Coastal Highway is going to be expanded to 4 lanes, so getting here is going to be even easier. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this development. I personally think this is the nicest development in Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.